my dad always bought like really small cars or really cheap cars. He was a very cheap man. And so we had all the stuff to be brought back to Herkratshausen. And so we packed, I was around, I don't know, 6, and we packed the whole car full of stuff, and we packed, and we packed the whole car so full there was no more space for us. He got, you know, like a child wine and stuff, and my cousin was there. And he bought these böllas, which we were in America, so that we're not allowed to have any böllas, right? I don't know what they're called in English.
Als ich klein war, wollte ich immer erwachsen werden. So schnell ich konnte. Und jetzt weiß ich nicht mehr, was das soll. Ich weiß nicht mehr. Die Zukunft, wie ich sie sehe, ist ein Warteraum. Eine Halle mit einer großen Bank oder ein Bahnhof. Und draußen gehen permanent Leute vorbei.
Pull up. Wind shear. Wind shear. Wind shear.